In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a Capcut video to your Google Drive. Whether you're a content creator looking to keep your work organized, or simply someone who wants to access your videos from anywhere, this handy guide will walk you through the process in a way that's simple and easy to follow. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering drive.google.com in the address bar. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into the correct Google account where you want to store your video. Once on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your folders and files neatly organized. Now that you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the New button. This button is usually positioned on the upper left-hand side of the screen. It's a prominently displayed button, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled File Upload. Click on it, and this will open a new window showing the files on your computer. This is where you'll select the Capcut video that you want to add to Google Drive. Make sure you know the location of your video on your computer to simplify this step. A small tip: if your files are organized in folders, you can quickly search for the file name in your File Explorer's search bar to save time. Once you've located your Capcut video file, click on it to select it. Then look for the Open button, usually located at the bottom right corner of the window, and click on that. This action will begin the uploading process. Depending on the size of your video, the upload might take a few seconds to a few minutes. You can follow along with the progress, which is generally displayed in the bottom right corner of your Google Drive interface. While the file is uploading, you don't need to stay on the page. You can continue with other work if you like. Google Drive will notify you once the upload is complete, and your file will appear in your drive. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded a Capcut video to your Google Drive. This process makes it easy to access your video from any device with an internet connection, ensuring your creations are always at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning into this guide. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on managing your digital content effectively.